Hey guys, in today's video, we're going to be discussing some ways you can get cheaper car insurance. Car insurance is not just a legal requirement, but it's also a crucial safety net that protects us from potential financial disasters on the road. It's there to cover the costs if you have an accident, if your car gets stolen, or even if you accidentally damage someone else's property with your vehicle. But as we know, car insurance can be very expensive, and we're all looking for ways to save money without compromising on safety. That's why today we're going to be talking about how to get cheap but safe car insurance. I'm going to give you some tips and strategies to help you find a policy that fits your budget without leaving you vulnerable on the road. So let's dive in. Firstly, it's important to understand what car insurance is and what it covers. Car insurance is a contract between you and an insurance company. You pay a premium, and in return, the insurance company promises to pay for specific car-related financial losses you might have during the term of the policy. There are three main types of car insurance. There's third party only. This is the minimum level of cover required by UK law. It covers liabilities to third parties. So for example, if you damage someone else's car or property or injure someone in an accident. The next type is third party fire and theft. This includes everything covered by third party only, plus protection for your vehicle from damage caused by fire or theft. And the last type is comprehensive. This is the highest level of cover. It includes all of the cover of third party fire and theft, and also covers your vehicle for damages even if the accident was your fault. And you might be wondering why car insurance costs vary so much. And that's because insurance companies determine your premium based on risk factors. These risk factors include your age. Younger, less experienced drivers often pay a lot more. Your driving record. Drivers with a history of accidents or traffic violations pay more. Your location. Areas with more traffic, higher accidents rates, or higher crime rates often have higher insurance premiums as well. And finally, your vehicle. The make, model, and age of your car can affect your insurance premium. Higher performance or luxury cars are often more expensive to insure. Understanding these factors can help you make an informed decision and potentially save on your car insurance. So let's move on to some tips on how to get cheaper car insurance. The first thing you should do is shop around. One of the most effective ways to get cheap car insurance is to shop around. Different insurance companies may offer different rates for the same coverage. Therefore, it's important to get quotes from multiple insurance companies. You can do this online or by contacting insurance companies directly. You can use comparison websites like GoCompare or Compare the Market. Remember that the cheapest quote may not always offer the best coverage or customer service, so it's important to consider all aspects of the insurance policy. The next thing you can do is bundle your insurance. Many insurance companies offer discounts if you bundle multiple types of insurance policies, such as car insurance and home insurance. This is known as a multi-policy discount. Bundling insurance can lead to significant savings, but it's also important to make sure that each individual policy provides the coverage that you need. Another thing you can do is to drive safe. Maintaining a clean driving record is crucial for keeping your insurance rates low. Most insurance companies offer discounts to drivers who have not had any accidents or traffic violations for a period of time. Additionally, some insurance companies offer discounts for drivers who complete additional driving courses, such as Pass Plus. Another thing to consider is choosing the right car. The make and model of your car can significantly affect your insurance rates. Cars that are expensive to repair or replace, have high theft rates, or are often involved in accidents tend to have higher insurance premiums. On the other hand, cars with good safety ratings and low repair costs generally have lower insurance rates. Therefore, if you're in the market for a new car, it's worth considering the potential insurance costs. And finally, you can increase your excess. Your excess is the amount that you pay out of pocket before your insurance coverage kicks in. By choosing a higher excess, you can lower your insurance premium. However, it's important to make sure that you can afford to pay the higher excess in the event of a claim. While it may be tempting to opt for the cheapest car insurance, often with the lowest coverage, there are some factors to consider. Firstly, the risk of minimum coverage. In the UK, the minimum legal requirement for car insurance is third-party coverage. This only covers damage that you cause to others, but does not cover damages to your own vehicle. Opting for this minimum coverage can lower your insurance premium, but it also comes with a significant risk. If you're involved in an accident, you may end up paying out of pocket for repairs or replacements to your vehicle. Additionally, if you're sued for damages that exceed your coverage limit, you could face significant financial loss. The importance of adequate coverage. Having adequate coverage is crucial to protect against significant financial loss. This means having a policy that covers not only the minimum legal requirement, but also your individual needs. For example, if you have a new or expensive car, you might want to consider comprehensive coverage, which covers damage to your own vehicle as well as third-party claims. If you live in an area with high rates of uninsured drivers, uninsured motorist coverage could be really important. And finally, optional coverage. There are several types of optional coverage that might be worth considering depending on your situation. Uninsured motorist coverage protects you if you're involved in an accident with a driver who doesn't have insurance. Personal injury protection, also known as personal accident coverage, can cover medical expenses and lost wages after an accident. You might also want to consider coverage for breakdown assistant, legal expenses, and courtesy car provisions. In conclusion, finding cheap car insurance requires a balance between cost and coverage. While it's tempting to opt for the minimum coverage to save money, it's important to ensure that you're adequately protected against potential financial loss. Remember to shop around, consider bundling your insurance, and maintain a clean driving record. Remember that the goal is not just to find the cheapest insurance, but the one that offers the best value for your needs. I hope you found this helpful. Thanks for watching.